A ginger pup with hungry eyes spots birdie snacks, what a surprise. He sniffs, he pulls, he makes a scene. The parrot grins so calm and clean. The puppy thinks, I'll get that treat. He wiggles tail and taps his feet. But Kate says no, the snack won't fall. The parrot laughs, you're cute, that's all. A clever pup with dreams of lunch keeps plotting one more daring hunch. He tries, he slips, the bird just stares and offers claws like no one cares. He pulls and sniffs and gives a bark.